Hello everyone, and welcome to my first Chefboy vlog. Today I'll be taking you on a journey throughout my experience camping in New South Wales, Australia. I cooked up some bush tacos to start off with.
Got like a POV shot of like his hand or some shit.
He's just gonna be like, I have hemorrhoids. My phone.
It's all gonna be muted anyway, it doesn't matter. We drove around Nowra and all the coastal beaches. Down at Bigger Farms Heritage Factory, and we took a look down in memory lane with their beautiful crafted cheeses over the decades. Our first campsite was in 6 Mile Creek. We had to set up our tents, our food, our campfire. There was also this hike walk that we did, and it led to a really massive waterfall. Unfortunately, you don't have a nice picture of the waterfall, but you can imagine it in your head. Do this poor attempt at fishing as we forgot to get bait and wanted to just flick some empty hooks into the water. And we ended the trip on some real nice breakfast.